The Senedd, the home of the National Assembly for Wales, has welcomed its millionth visitor. Samantha Hailes from Cardiff was greeted by the Presiding Officer for the National Assembly for Wales and presented with a certificate and given a tour of the building.
It's a stunning building and it's in a perfect location, and the number of tourists that come down here, it's just a brilliant place for them to come and visit.
The Senedd, which was officially opened by Her Majesty the Queen on St David's Day in 2006, has become a landmark building in Cardiff's prestigious Bay development and is recognised the world over.
Millionth visitor in 6 years is quite incredible, and of course all sorts of reasons why people come. They come to the fantastic building, but they do come to see what all the fuss is about, what is the Assembly about, and they come in and they learn a lot. They've got educational visits, they can see ministers, they can see committees in operation, and it's really a very, very good experience. If people haven't been, they should come.
It was designed by architects Rogers, Stirk, Harbour and Partners to be transparent and accessible to the public while being one of the most environmentally friendly parliamentary buildings in the world. The National Assembly for Wales is the democratically elected body that represents the interests of Wales and its people, makes laws for Wales and holds the Welsh Government to account. For more information and to find out who represents you, go to assemblywales.org or follow us on Facebook and Twitter.